Hello, welcome back everybody. It is Monday. It is Endangered Animals and Makeup Monday, as always. I'm Paige, if you're new here. Today's animal is the turtle, the Hawksbill Turtle. As always, on Mondays, I talk about an endangered animal and do my makeup to look like them. So if you're interested to learn more about the Hawksbill Turtle and how I'm going to do this makeup this week, keep on watching. Y'all, this morning, put together a freaking trampoline for my daughter. Okay? Me and her dad. 3 hours later, I'm here recording this video now. I'm so tired. But I'm so excited. She loves it so much. But anyways, we're going to start talking about the Hawksbill Turtle. So, they are critically endangered. And as always, I'm going to insert a scale for you guys to see. They are the highest of the globally threatened category, so very high risk for them. So they can weigh anywhere from 90 to 150 pounds. And they're anywhere from 30 to 35 inches, so almost 3 feet long. And, of course, their habitat is the ocean. They are named for their narrow, pointed beaks. They can also be identified by their overlapping scales on their shells that form a serrated look on the edges. Really cool. I'll insert a picture for you guys to see. These colored and patterned shells make them highly valuable and commonly sold as tortoise shell in markets. They feed mainly on sponges by using their narrow pointed beaks and to extract them from crevices of the reef, but they will also eat jellyfish. Sea turtles are the living representatives of a group of reptiles that have existed on Earth and traveled our seas for the last 100 million years. Hot damn. Hot damn. That is wild. So now we're gonna get into why they matter. Well, they help maintain the health of coral reefs as they remove prey such as sponges from the reef's surface, and they provide better access for reef fish to feed. So for example, for local residents in the Coral Triangle, the flow of visitors who come to visit the turtles, it's a vital source of income for them. So now we're going to talk about their threats. What are some threats to the Hawksbill Turtle? Hooks from fishermen are always getting caught in the long line. So that's really sad to see. They're particularly susceptible, I think that's how you say it, to entanglement in gill nets and accidental capture on fishing hooks. They have a loss of nesting and feeding habitats. So fishery-related mortality, pollution, and coastal development are all threats to the turtle. So despite their current protection under the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, and many national laws, still a disturbingly large amount of illegal trade happens in the shells and products of the Hawksbill turtle. They are sought after throughout the tropics for their beautiful brown and yellow carapace plates that are manufactured into tortoiseshell items for jewelry and ornaments. What the WWF is doing, they're aiming to reduce turtle bycatch by working with fisheries to switch to more turtle-friendly fishing hooks, which are circle hooks. They advocate for the use of special turtle excluder devices in nets. They are also tracking the turtle's movements using satellite to help prevent future interactions between fisheries and turtles. And they also work with the fishermen to save the turtles who are caught in their fishing gear. The satellite tracking helps them research the sea turtles as they swim from place to place, and that data will show them where the feeding areas are and help them understand their migration patterns and anticipate where the turtles may come in contact with fisheries in their gear. I love that. I think it's so important to like know where they are also, so that they can like protect those areas of their feeding and like where they lay their eggs. Like I think that's so important too. well, here's the final look. As always, I'm going to leave some links down below on how you can take action, and adopt a turtle. If you guys like this video, if you guys like learning about endangered animals, feel free to please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, love you all, and I hope you are all staying safe. Bye.